So today we are going to make a homemade Sukang Pinakurat, or basically it is a spiced vinegar. Usually what you're going to use with this is a coconut vinegar. But if you don't have it, then you can just make use of any kind of vinegar, and then of course together with some spices. And this is perfect to be used as dipping sauce for some grilled, fried and dried meats and chicharon. And this is famous as being called as sausawan ng bayan. Alright, so let's get started. So for the exact measurements of the ingredients, just kindly check the description box down below. So in this recipe, we're gonna need cane vinegar, fish sauce or patis, soy sauce, sugar, peppercorns or black pepper, salt, garlic, ginger, onions, and green chili and siling labuyo. For the chili or for the peppers or siling labuyo, it's up to you how much you can tolerate or what you can tolerate. So you decide. Alright, so gagawin natin is we're just gonna put them in the blender and blend them, or in a food processor, and then we'll mix it all together. Actually, I just want to make a comment that I made a mistake here of using peppercorns and putting them together in the food processor because it didn't really crush the peppercorns. So much better you just use a cracked one already. So you're just gonna pause, blend them until you reach the smooth texture and medyo lumiit na yung mga components. Then we are going to mix the remaining ingredients in a bowl and just stir them until they are mixed well, or until yung sugar natin at yung salt natin is medyo nadi-dissolve na siya. So using a funnel, we're just gonna pour the mixture into a sterilized bottle, and then we're gonna store them there and let it ferment. And because I had too much of the spices mixture that I blended in the food processor, so I decided I just want to make another one. This time I'm using a dato puti vinegar. So the same pa rin yung ingredients natin kakailangan at the same pa rin yung measurements na we are going to use. Well, of course, except doon sa mga spices that we have already blended. So in the 3 cups of vinegar goes the sugar, the salt, and then we're just gonna mix it with a spoon. And into the bowl are the remaining spices mixture that I blended. Then we're gonna pour the mixture, the liquid mixture in there with the sugar and the salt. And then we're just mix. So if you notice, the one on the right is a bit lighter compared to the one at the left. That's because we use a white vinegar, the one in the right, whereas in the left we used a one that is slightly dark. So with this one, this is a little bit sweet. So if you don't want it to be sweet, then of course you can just adjust the sugar that you put in there. Alright, so I hope you learned something from this video. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and I'll see you on my next video.